Hello, I'm Samuel to say, the founder, director, and a tutor. Um, Please, we want to welcome you to our YouTube official channel, and we would like you to subscribe so you'll be getting the latest videos we posted by us. At our institution, we do Microsoft programs, we do advanced Excel for financial analysts, and also for the data analyst expert. We also do dissertation consultancy. We also work with various students around the nation, and we also do our computerized accounting, QuickBooks, Sage, and others. And we also do conferences. We do crash courses for professionals, different institutions. So if you want to get a better and qualified training, please contact us. You can see from our screen our number and email or there. So please just give us a call. Thank you.